The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The basic scene. I bow to glorious Vajrasattva's secret wisdom. These things were once spoken. The Tathagata is a fully perfected Buddha who dwells eternally in a magnificent pleasure that is like the sky. His body, speech, and mind are like Vajras. He is a spontaneously formed potentate, indivisible from the totality of Vajrasattvas. He beams out like 1,000 suns in a most extraordinary way. He is the unique essence of all things. His magnificence cannot be separated from any of them. This glorious Vajrasattva, the unity of all the Buddhas of the three times, lives in the abode of Akanishta, a dominion of the Dharma that is not to be exaggerated or demeaned, in a crystal palace made of the blazing wisdom of awareness. It has no boundaries or center, and is equal to the dominion of the sky. The most secret of secret wisdoms has the measure of a magnificent, all-encompassing pervasion that has no extent or limits. It is profound and subtle. Its nature is difficult to understand. Nothing touches it, and it is neither depleted nor augmented. It is ornamented with a countless vast diffusion of jewels, equal to the end of the sky. The great perfection, the Blessed One, dwells in it. He has a retinue of natural essence, a retinue who looks after this nature, and a retinue who actually attains this nature. They are like this. They are of earth, water, fire, wind, space, the realm of desire, the realm of form, and the formless realm. They are also of the total yoga, the great yoga, the referential yoga, and the extreme yoga. All of them were there in a single party with all the Buddhas of the 10 directions, past, yet to come, and present, in their embodiment as the Dharma, their embodiment as pleasure, and their manifest embodiments. Then the mightiest of the gods addressed all the victorious ones of the 10 directions with these words.